Hello, friends. Today, I want to introduce you to a prayer that holds real power and can help attract into your life whatever you focus on. This prayer allows you to tune into a positive frequency, remove limiting beliefs and thoughts, and attract greater well-being, health, happiness, and success into your life. I believe everyone wants to live in abundance and achieve their goals, but we don't always know how to do so. This scientific prayer can help you achieve your goals and transform your life for the better. When to practice for the best results. Listen to this prayer in the morning and evening, or at least in the evening before bed. If you are ready to discover the power of scientific prayer and start attracting more prosperity into your life, then repeat after me. I am confident it will become a true revelation for you. I believe in universal energy. I understand that my thoughts hold real power and that I can use this power to attract favorable circumstances and achievements into my life. Connection to universal mind. I know my mind is part of the universal mind, and I can use this connection to receive insights that will help me reach my goals. Request for wisdom and energy. I ask the universe to share its wisdom and energy with me. Help me remove all limiting beliefs and thoughts that may prevent me from achieving my goals. Positive alignment and opportunities. Help me tune into a positive frequency and attract favorable circumstances and opportunities into my life. Health, happiness, and success. I ask for health, happiness, prosperity, and success in all areas of my life. I am grateful to the universe for its love and support. Faith and gratitude. I believe that everything I ask for will come true. Thank you. Closing with gratitude and faith, I release my desires into the universe with full trust and gratitude. I am open to receive all the blessings and opportunities coming my way. Thank you, universe, for your endless love and guidance. So it is.